Good morning, students. How are you all? Today, in lesson matter for class 8, I will be discussing about the particle nature of matter. We know, my dear, that matter can exist in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. In all these three states, matter is made up of very, very tiny particles called atoms and molecules. It is possible to convert a given piece of matter from one state to another. There are quite a few differences in these three different states, and we have already learned about them in the previous class. Yet, I would like, for the recapitulation, I want to tell you all about the matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. From the civilization of the mankind, many attempts have been made to understand the reason for the existence of a large variety of matter and materials. To your surprise, my dear students, the Greeks were the first to give their opinion that fire, water, air, and earth are the basic building blocks of all materials. They further stated that properties of a material, a particular material, were due to the different ratios of four basic materials. According to our Indian philosophers, their opinion was all kinds of materials are made of 5 elements. What are these elements? These elements are Akash, sky, Vayu, air, Tejas, fire, Ap, water, and Shiti, earth. Not only this, but Rishi Kanada, who was a great Indian philosopher, was the first to tell us that all matter, irrespective of its physical state, is composed of very small particles called anu, that is atom. And in the light of modern concepts and modern research, matter is made of basic building blocks. And commonly, these are called as elements. And so far known, we have 118 elements known in number. So we can summarize that an element is defined as a substance which cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any chemical means. So today we will be discussing only this, and rest, a lot of things are there that I will be talking to you in the forthcoming classes. Till then, please do take good care of yourselves. All right? Thank you and bye-bye.